Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to For the Love of Running. This morning we've got a real exciting one for you guys because we have driven 9 hours from Adelaide. We've come out here to Coober Pedy to do the Coober Pedy parkrun, the last one Kelly and I have to do before we can have our statesmanship back. So we're super excited. But on top of that, Kelly is doing her 100th parkrun. She's up there somewhere with some balloons. We're going to go back to her very shortly. So super exciting for her as well. So big congratulations, Kelly, and thank you for all the filming you do on this channel. It's really amazing. And yeah, so like I said, we're out at Coober Pedy. The course is a straightforward out and back on gear like this here. So yeah, really going to be a straightforward course, almost impossible to get lost. There's wood here, I'm going to touch that just in case. Straight. Thank you. But yeah, so it's going to be amazing, guys. So anyway, I'm going to crack on with a bit of a warm-up.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste it. Now, cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless.